on, guys? Hey, you already know the whole spiel, man. You see me right here in the 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack wide body. You know, nothing much has changed, not yet at least. But we got a slight little mod for you guys today. You know, it's nothing crazy. It's really inexpensive, costs about $50 or so. As you see, people breaking their neck. You got the Challenger right there. I like that color on that Challenger. That was a dope ass color with that. I like that a lot. But it's very inexpensive, like I was saying. This particular thing that I'm about to do is specifically for California. You probably could do it in other states as well, but the one I'm doing specifically, obviously I'm from California, so that's what it's for. And I actually already got it. I'm about to pull up somewhere right now and show you guys what it is. I'm sure a lot of you guys could guess it. It might even be in the title, I'm not too sure. But man, was it a process to get this thing done? I'm not gonna lie, it took me about probably close to 6 months to get it, give or take. I don't really remember. Time does fly. But yeah, it was definitely a process to get it, but it definitely makes a huge difference. You know, a lot of people out here in Cali have it nowadays. It seems like in recent years it's become more and more popular, and I mean for good reason. It looks good. You guys are about to see the difference from how my car used to look without it and now how it looks with it. And so it adds a little bit of customization, you know, adds a little bit more personality to the car. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do this small mod that I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you guys the exact process you have to go through to get it done. And I'm gonna show you before and after, like I said, how it looks now and how it used to look without it. Because though it is something very small, it does make a huge difference in my opinion, and obviously a lot of other people's opinions too, because a lot of people have it done. But as we pull up to our destination, man, you know I always gotta say it. If you guys enjoy the content, go ahead and hit that like button. It does help out a lot. So if you like the content, it doesn't take a lot to just hit that like, hit that thumbs up, and it helps your boy out a lot, man. If you want to see better content from me, you know we got to continue to grow, and the way that we do that is through the likes, through the comments, and through people subscribing. So if you watch my videos, whether you're a hater or whether you're a supporter, hit that subscribe button, baby, because you're gonna be here no matter what anyways, whether you're hating or you're supporting. You know, either way, man, you can still hit that subscribe button, and you know, then you're more committed on the hate, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I appreciate it nonetheless. You already know I appreciate you guys more than anything, man. All right, as we hop out, and by the way, guys, all the links are in the description for anything you guys might want or need, anything I use here on this channel. The merch, you see the Legends Never Die edition stuff right there. Like I said, all social platforms. We do have a PlayStation 5 giveaway going on right now, so if you guys want to get involved with that, make sure you hit those links down below in the description. The IG is where you want to look for that PlayStation 5 giveaway. And but yeah, man, without further ado, here's my dirty ass whip, and there's what I was talking about. Like I said, I'm sure a lot of you guys guessed it, and you guys see it, man. Speaking of the merch and the clothing brand and everything, you know, the whole label and all that, $13.91, baby. You know, a lot of people ask what that's all about, and you know, that's just my thing, man. If you know, you know. But yeah, man, that's what it is. And for this car specifically, you know, it looks good on a lot of different cars. There is some cars that I don't really like how it looks, just, you know, with the color and I don't know, just certain stuff that it doesn't really pop with. But with this specific car, especially with the red tags right there, man, everything really ties in together. And you see, you got the black and you got the yellow. Shout out to Wiz Khalifa right there with the red accent with the tags. And then you got the B right there with the same theme. And then you got the lights with the little red in it. You see the carbon fiber, man, and the car is filthy, man. It's been raining a lot. We've had a lot of bad weather, so you know, there's really no point in washing it. I do keep it outside. I mean, I have a car cover, but I don't know, man, I've been busy, and we're gonna get around to that. I got some stuff coming for, you know, detailing and all that, so I want to make a video about that anyways. So it's good that it's nice and dirty for when that video happens. But man, it just sets it off in a whole different way for me personally. It's something that I've always wanted to do, get a customized plate. Now you know, man, when you see it, if you didn't know already, with the carbon fiber accents and everything, and the wide body, and really it's the only one in my city that I stay. Got the little Celica right there. Aside from, for a while it was the only one. Now there is a Hellcat wide body that looks exactly the same as mine, but it's on bags already. My boy didn't waste no time. Shout out to my boy with the wide body Hellcat. You know, it is a level up from the Scat, but you know, people know, man, when you see the Scat, it's $13.91, baby. Been thinking about putting banners and all that, but I don't know, man. You know, we go to Mexico a lot, so I don't know about the extra attention, but we shall see. I got a whole lot of other stuff coming. You know, we're probably gonna get the tips and all that, you know, do the emblem deletes, do the tint on the rear lights. We already have the tint on the side markers. Shout out to Diode Dynamics. You know, links for all that are in the description. We got the baby on springs, and this ain't a whole breakdown of all my mods and everything, but you know, might as well point them out since we're here. And we got a whole lot more stuff. I'm still waiting on the diffuser from that company that I got all this stuff from. Been taking a very long time. Very unhappy with that, not gonna lie to you guys. A lot of people have been asking me where I got my wing, where I got the side skirts, all carbon fiber, where I got my front lip, you know what I'm saying, all carbon fiber as well. And don't get me wrong, it looks great, you know what I'm saying. For everything that I looked at, these are definitely the best looking ones that I've seen, which is why I went with this specific company. And granted, it is, you know, a pandemic that's going on right now. Shipping and everything has been taking forever, but initially it took forever for me to even get these pieces, which, like I said, understandable with everything going on. But now it's taking even longer with the diffuser because the one they sent me didn't fit. I don't know, man. It's just very frustrating. I want my diffuser. I want it all to tie in together, and I'm just now having to wait for that. So very frustrating with that, but hopefully it all gets worked out, and if it does, then I'll have nothing but good things to say about this specific company. But depending on how long it takes and if all the promises that were made are kept, I'll let you guys know what I feel about them in the future. Hopefully the very near future, we shall see. But back to what this video is about. You know, I get sidetracked from time to time, but it adds a lot. You can't tell me that that doesn't add a lot. And for 50 bucks, I mean, I think that's a hell of a deal. You do have to pay it annually. Like I said, I don't know what you guys could do outside of California. I'm sure there's certain stuff that you could do maybe. I haven't really looked into it since I don't live outside of California. But for all my Cali people, you already know, man, you gotta have the black and the yellow license plate. But basically that's what it is, guys. Now I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. We can hop on the computer and I'll show you guys exactly, you know, the whole process that it takes, where you need to go, what you need to do, how much it costs and everything. It's around 50 bucks, maybe 55 bucks. And I'll tell you how long it took me. I already kind of told you, it was about like 6 months, but that's with everything going on. It doesn't normally take that long, but I'll tell you the whole process that you have to go through and all the little details for all the people that want to get this done and don't really know how to go about it. But yeah, man, so we'll get straight to that as we look at this beauty for one more time before we cut to the next scene. I know it's dirty, guys, but the thing still looks good. And shout out to this color right here, because even when it's dirty, it's still looking sturdy. And what the fuck is that? The fuck? Let me find out, bro. What is that right there? Don't know what those little marks are. Maybe a cat or something, but you guys see it, man. She's looking like a beaut. Whole lot of stuff coming for this. I got something coming for this front grille too. Something that I don't know if I've seen it yet on the 2020 wide bodies. So we might be the first to do that. We shall see. I don't know. I haven't really looked too much into it as to if anybody else has it done yet, but it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be dope. I can't wait. It's a little bit of a different vibe with this camera as opposed to the other one. This one, obviously the other one looks better from the point of view angle, but this one here, you get a much better sound, you know? So get you guys a little bit more audio of the 6.4 liter Scat Peasy. Man, you can't tell me that thing doesn't sound good. In my opinion, one of the best sounding muscle cars easily, hands down. I mean, all I do have is a mid muffler delete, you know. Just wait till I get those long tube headers and everything else. vicious, man. Sounds good. Oof. Turning radius on this shit is not good though, I'll tell you that right now. Sheesh. And if you know the right time to shift on this thing, bro, you get that little sound right there. Man, you can't really compete with the sound on this. I can never do that and not smile. You know, if you want to smile, you can hop in this car right here and do that. That's an instant smile for me. Alright, so we're right here where everything goes down on the gaming channel, as you guys can see. If you guys aren't familiar with the gaming channel, go check it out if you're into gaming. But alright, so basically all you got to do is go to Google and just type in custom license plate CA, and boom, it's gonna take you right to it. Simple as that, guys. You just go over here, check the box. You know, you can read it if you want. I don't really do much reading on that. But boom, and then you just go over here, auto, type in your license plate number, type in the last 3 of your VIN, answer these questions right here, and then boom, you just pick whichever one you want. And as you can see, $50 the initial cost, and then the annual fee is 40 bucks. This is the 1960 Legacy, and this is the one a lot of people go with. I mean, you'll see people with this one and this one. I mean, there's a couple that you could choose. There's one for the kids and all that. This is the one you want. So you just click that, hit next. All right, then once you enter that, it'll take you over here, and basically you just pick whatever you want. You know, customize it however you want. Say you just, I'm just gonna put some random stuff. They will deny you if it's offensive or, you know, any sort of something that they don't feel like belongs on a license plate. They can deny it, and they won't tell you. Like, they'll wait the whole however long it takes, and they'll send you a little notice like 3 months later telling you you're denied. Believe me, it's happened to me before. So you just pick whatever you want in any order you want. You know, you could add little spaces, whatever you want to do. You just hit next. You got to explain the license plate meaning to them, and then you fill everything out, and boom, you're good to go. So after you do all that, it'll just take however long it takes. They say 4 to 6 weeks, could be longer. It was a lot longer for me. And you know, they'll send you your little notice. You'll have to take it into the DMV, and you pick up your plates, and that's it, man. That's the whole process. That's how easy it is. And then after that, they'll just send you the fee annually, and you'll be good to go. You'll have your custom license plate, and that pretty much sums it up. Pretty freaking simple, if you ask me. I appreciate you guys as always for stopping through. A little bit different on this one, you know how we're ending it, a little bit of gaming channel vibes. But yeah, if you guys are interested in the gaming channel, come check it out, man. LouieXIII Gaming. Link is down below in the description. We do a whole lot of stuff over here on the gaming channel. Remember, all links are down below in the description for the merch. You see the hat, you've seen the merch earlier. For all my social platforms, remember, we do have that PlayStation 5 giveaway going on, so hit up that IG, find the post, and get in on that giveaway while you still can. It's going till the 30th, I believe, and we're going to be announcing the winner at 3 p.m. Pacific time, live on stream. So stay tuned, we got a whole lot of stuff coming, man. Like I said, I appreciate you guys so much. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit that like button, because you already know it helps out a lot. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you guys don't want to miss out on any future content. Appreciate you guys so much. Who is LouieXIII? LouieXIII Gaming checking out. I'm gonna see you guys real soon. Salute.